So first of all, thank you all. Thank you so much everyone for joining the session. Good morning everyone, and a warm welcome to all to RPA World Trainings. So this is the first new batch today only. Let's get started. So today it's a complete free demo about RPA UiPath plus AA plus Microsoft Power Automation Cloud plus desktop. So here I hope everyone is looking for the job, right? So how many are you looking for the job? Can you please raise your hands? Just want to see your interest, see your activeness. Okay, great. Karthik first. Karthik, you'll get the job first. Paul, Yatish, Sasi, great, great. Good guys. Thank you. Fine. So first let me introduce you all myself. Okay. So myself, Raghava Tadikonda. I do have 11 plus years of ID experience. So my qualification is MCA, which passed out in the year 2014. Basically, I'm based out of Vijayawada. My complete qualification completed studies in Vijayawada itself. Uh, MCA in the year 2014. Then immediately I have started my career in 2014 as a Java developer in Capgemini at Bangalore location. After 3 years of working in Java, I heard about this RPA UiPath tool. So we got the at the time my project got completed and I just came out. I was on bench, and I heard that I should have to learn about this tool. So right, so many tools will come in the market and it will vanish after some time. So even I was also in that perspective. Then I said I don't want to go for that, but I don't have any another option at that time. So in 2017, UiPath is not that much. All RP tools doesn't have that much of exploration in the market. But now, believe me or not, today I can say that I am working this emerging technology. I can say proudly I have learned, a bit more than you, a little bit more. That's it. I am also not saying that I know everything. So then, I just got started working on a new project. So at that time, nobody is, an experienced guys in the market at that time. So that's how make me more interest and worked as an independent contributor, trying to understand the business, understanding the requirement gathering, preparing the documentation, development, testing. So that's how I got like much opportunity to learn about RPA, to know to work in technical in live. So then immediately I switched to company called KPIT Technologies in Bangalore. After that, it merged with Birlasoft. Then I moved to Pune location and I worked in Birlasoft for almost 3 years. And again, I came back to Hyderabad and I got offer in Infosys. And then I moved to Signity as a technical lead. And now again, Coforge got acquired, acquisition completed with Coforge. So now I am working in Coforge as a technical lead in UiPath. Along with I am into Center of Excellence team. Now, along with and after all this, I am UiPath Community Official Certified Trainer. I am the only person certified trainer from Hyderabad, and along with community trainer, even was awarded recently as a key contributor. So why I got that award rewarded as a key contributor? Because I have supported to the people who are really looking for the job, who are really ex- changing the existing job to non-technical to technical, who wants to kickstart their careers. Whatever I can do with my network, I used to share all the opportunities with them. That's how I got key contributor award as well from Hyderabad chapter. We total three persons got nominated, so I am the one in the three. And along with that, I am UiPath community speaker also for Hyderabad chapter. We have conducted more than 15 plus in-person meetup sessions in Hyderabad. In T Hub, we have like conducted almost 4 to 5 in-person sessions. Recently, we have done UiPath Community Day event as well, couple of times in the last year. So So in that community events, like so many people used to come and interact with us. So many companies also will come and join, so that you can increase your networking. You can let them know that you're looking for a job. Even they also post explain, like sometimes they do have some openings in their organizations. So these kind of uh, sessions related to those community events. Yeah. And so in Coforge, so total after 11 plus years of experience, I am into trainings completely from last 8 plus years. So how I got even rewarded as a community official trainer means, I got opportunity uh, to give the sessions for government college students from Tamil Nadu, which under the program called Non Mudal One. There I have trained almost 17,000 plus college students for free of cost. So I have trained 17,000 plus students for 90 continuous days. It's complete semester. UiPath is one of the subject for them. It was all sponsored by Tamil Nadu government under the program called Non Mudal One. So that's how we got rewarded. It's very rare certification all over the world. Very limited people have this community trainer certification. So in even in the market, right? So many people used to start the sessions. You might have already gone through their sessions, and you have just gone through the demo. My sessions and demo, everything will be little bit different. I don't much depend on the presentations. Okay, I used to take the sessions, each and every individual concept, so that I can understand what the candidate will expect from me. At the same time, I will also set some expectations from the candidate, that what I am expecting from them for the next 45 days. Then it will be a good kind of healthy relationship, so that it will be kind of a belief that will get created until unless you are getting the job. So here, as we have mentioned in the groups, that we are not at all only just giving the training. We are even just giving the kind of a mentoring and complete support for all of you, because here you all are from joined from different locations, different educational backgrounds, different career backgrounds. Someone even did not join the careers, someone already started some businesses, but it was not expected as well. Again, they wants to kickstart their career in IT industry. Someone already started, but that is into non-IT technologies. Now they want to learn this booming technology. Again, they want to switch to IT technology. Someone is scared in writing the coding language because they are working in some coding, but they don't want to write now because everyone is not interested in writing the coding, right? So like different backgrounds, for all of them the only solution, learning RPA, because the most advantage in this RPA is nothing but no code, low code, no code platform. It is just a simple automation drag and drop tool. Okay. It is just a drag and drop tool, no code, low code, no code. No need to write any lines of code here. Okay. Maybe you can down your hands. Right. Okay. So again, thank you everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Even I have started the recording as well. If anyone missed this session, you can go through the recording also for the future references. So now let me share my screen. Yeah, before that, uh, so in my 8 plus teaching years of experience, I have trained more than 1,000 plus students one-on-one like this. It's almost my 45th or 46th batch from last 8 plus years. Even I also have started career in trainings with started with one person. That one became two, two became four, four became eight, eight became 16. That's how based on the success ratio, based on the support I have given, all came through the references. More than 250 to 300 plus success stories are there in my 1,000 plus trainings. So many people got jobs, worked in different top MNCs in the global, and settled down in their careers with good packages. Okay. So this is about my profile. If you did not gone through, is my screen visible, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
please go.
Right. So guys, generally no trainers will try to reveal their faces. They don't, even given their genuine names also. But as I'm official certified trainer, so no problem in that one. So if you observe, it's my LinkedIn profile. So you can keep in connect touch with me so that I'll share all multiple opportunities. I am UiPath speaker, official certified trainer, key contributor, and technical lead. I have not updated into Coforge because last week only acquisition completed, and these all are my different certifications which I have got. That UiPath. Now we have these associate developer professional, all these under the UiPath Academy. Even previous we have different multiple certifications are also there. Even I have completed those certifications also. So I have completed almost 40 to 50 plus certifications in UiPath. So UA, ADA, ADP, ABA, SAP, UA SAP certified professional. And these are all my experiences. Capgemini, KPIT, Microsoft, Infosys, Signity, now Coforge, right? And now here, if you observe, we are maintaining a page called RPA Vault Professional Trainings and Job Prospects. Here, what we used to do generally, we used to post across the job opportunities across the globe, because if I keep posted in the WhatsApp group, what will happen? Some people might reach, some people might not. But here, if I post it here in this LinkedIn, our company page, then the reach will be more, and even it will be helpful for everyone for the future also, right? So if you observe, these are all the different openings recently, which I have posted 3 weeks before, and so like every day we used to keep post all these different job opportunities, guys. Like for example, if you observe, this is Pune location, this is Chennai location, this is for Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore. So so not only giving the training, for also let them know the candidates that many openings are there. You just need to show some interest, put some concentration, and do some hard work and get some hands-on experience, and then just apply for the job. Okay, like this we used to post different multiple job openings in our page. Okay, and this is all we just your path community. After the your path MVP releases, we just made some kind of a small gathering. This is about, and we congratulated all the UiPath MVPs, and even our RPA World is sponsoring for the celebrity cricketers teams also. We have already collaborated with 3 different cricket teams. So we are not only into IT, as I am very much passionate and interested in cricket. So that makes me to sponsor all those cricket teams as well. So this is, I just want to explain you all that if you are learning, you will get keep on openings on the RPA UiPath, and not only UiPath. Along with UiPath, I used to post Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, Power Automation, Cloud and Desktop, and all other RPA tools as well. Okay, right. So this is our page, and this is about my profile, LinkedIn Professional Network, right? And then if you observe, after our page completely launched, this is the first batch we are taking everything from our website. So whoever is looking for job course curriculum, course content, hey Raghu, you are saying this session is completely for the 45 days, completely online trainings. How about the topics? What are all the topics you are going to cover? So once if you open our website, if you click on RPA UiPath, so first of all, like as we want to tell you all, it's a beginner friendly. This is very high demand skill as of now in the market, and by end of the course, if you put interest and if you put that much of concentration every day, minimum 4 to 5 hours, definitely you will get some hands-on learning experience as well. Okay, so just go through all the key points which we have mentioned. And if you click on curriculum, so guys, today is a demo class 1, introduction to RPA tools, overview of RPA versus testing. Even I'm going to cover all these points of demo 2 also in the today's demo class only. Okay, so from Monday, coming Monday, our actual session is going to start. Okay, so guys, our complete sessions will be kind of 45 days, which started from April 25th today. Okay, and from Monday, which is April 28th. April 28th, actual session is going to start. Okay, total course is 45 days. And in the market generally, all the trainings will maximum they will take for 1 hour or 1.5 hour. I will take every day session of 2 hours, guys. Okay, 2 hours per class, which means out of this 45 days, which means 1.5 month, which means almost 6 to 7 weekends, guys. Weekends means, like, for example, if you take 6 weekends, 6 means 6 into 2, 12. So 45 days minus 12 days, which means almost 30 to 32 to 33 days you'll going to cover the sessions, which means you will get total 60 hours of content minimum. Okay, you will get 60 hours of content by end of the course. Okay, so in this one, total 25 days into UiPath, remaining 5 days into Power Automation Cloud plus desktop. Guys, I am not like saying I will explain each and every point in Microsoft Power Automation Cloud and desktop, because nowadays, previously, if you don't know about Power Automation also, no problem. But nowadays, if you are attending interviews, in interview they're asking you, other than UiPath, or what other technology you know. So as of now, you all know, for this UiPath, the competitive tool in the market is Power Automation, right? So if you let them know that you already know, having some experience on Power Automation, then it will be more added advantage for all of you. In the market, if you want to learn completely separate your path, separate Power Automation, you should spend minimum 25,000 to 30,000 bucks, right? But here I am teaching for all of my students sake, all these three tools at same price. Okay, at least as you already learned about your path for coming first 25 days, it will be easy for all of you to learn that Power Automation Cloud plus desktop in less than 5 days, because objective of the RPA tools are like same, to do automation. Only the thing is the technical terminology, you know, the process, the activity names might be sounds different. That's it, right? In UiPath, we have the workflows will be sequence, flowchart, and state machine. In Power Automation, we have automated and instant and scheduled. That's it. The naming will be different. Everything is same. So in the first 25 days will be your path plus the remaining 5 days will be Power Automation Cloud plus desktop. Even now from Monday, even we are going to start automation anywhere trainings as well. Okay. From RPA Vault, we are going to launch all the training technologies also in the coming days. Java, .NET, Python, SAP, Oracle, AWS, DevOps, Power BI, all Power Apps, Power Platform, all the tools also we are going to start, which will keep posted in the groups. Right. So this complete your path will take sessions by me only. It's not a kind of a recorded sessions, which means you don't get kind of a recorded sessions. Okay, come and please come and watch and take. Not like that. It's complete live sessions only. Once class completed, you will get the recording also of the class automatically. And if any, and please do not try to miss the sessions, because nowadays your path is very vast subject. All the sessions are independent. If you missed any 2 to 3 of sessions, definitely you might not understand the next session. So the complete 45 days of focus completely on learning UiPath and Power Automation. No movie, no friends, no social media, nothing. These many days, whatever happened is happened, and whatever you have tried, you have did some business, you have did some, you know, attempted for bank exams, different exams. Someone keep on trying attending interviews but did not able to crack. So whatever happened, fine. Now here I'm here to help you all, to guide you all, to teach you all, to make you feeling comfortable in attending the interviews. For that, you should have to attend the sessions without fail. Then only we can help you, right? Without fail, you should have to attend the sessions, and every day we should have to do some certifications as well, because all these RPA tools are professionally certified tools. So Raghu, we should have to invest again on the tool, on the certification? No, it's a free of cost. Certifications are available. Which certification we should start, which is recommended? If you put on that resume, then definitely your resume weightage will get increased. So every day you should attend 1.5 to 2 hours of class, 2 to 2.5 hours on certification program. You should, I'll guide you where you should have to log in, where you should register, which one you should start from the day. It will take almost 90 hours of time to complete that certification. So now if you start from today, it will take 45 days if you put 2 hours per day, right? Because by end of the course you should be certified, then only you can put that certification in your resume, then only recruiters will call you by seeing that profile. It will be added advantage, because myself and Namdev and Paul are looking for jobs, okay, but both of them were not certified professionals. I am certified, then definitely they will consider my profile only, right? So that much of importance is there for certification as well. And coming to the sessions, I will try to cover from scratch. Okay. Because so many people say like, hey Raghu, I am already working on UiPath. I already know all the basics and advanced level. Can you teach me only document understanding and UiPath Action Center or Automation Hub? No, my sessions are guys like completely for the beginners who doesn't know what exactly even RPA also, who doesn't know even they don't know like how to access your Microsoft Excel also, because already some career gap happened. Even they will feel very, sure that they will feel like I don't know anything. Every day the confidence will get less, they don't have that much hope also, because every day is a count. When you have the career gap, 3 years completed, 4 years completed, no job, getting the pressure from family and friends, they're telling that started looking for the marriage, but you're not settled down, no openings for the freshers, and you don't know the subject. So whatever the career gap you are going to put, that all the gap you should have to fill within 45 days. So we'll start from very basics, guys. So in the first class, actual class Monday, we'll help you all installing the UiPath Studio Orchestrator, and along with Microsoft Power Automation Cloud and desktop as well. And we'll start the certification also from the day one of the session. Okay, and then we'll explain complete architecture about the overview of your path studio robot orchestrator, and then we'll start with our first basic concept: variables, arguments, input and output methods, Excel automation, workbook, data table, web automation, string manipulation, word automation, PDF, database, email. We'll go with the loops, control flows, exception handling, object repository, modern design activities, automation hub, document understanding. Even did I have API automation, regular expressions. Okay, even I have not mentioned some of the topics. I'll cover all these under the basic concepts. Coming to the advanced, I'll start with RE framework, performer, dispatcher, queues, classic and modern folders, assets, triggers, upload and download the code from orchestrator, global exception handler. Along with that, even I can help you in teaching the documentation part as well, because if you want to start your journey in your path, maybe you can go as an independent contributor. You can call them as an IC. What is the meaning of independent contributor? Okay, or else you can go as a business analyst also. Okay, you can go as a business analyst also, or you can go as a production support. These three roles will be there always in RPA. Independent contribution is nothing but consultants. You will call as a consultant. Okay, I'll try to explain you all that what is the meaning of these three different job roles in UiPath. Anyone having any questions so far? Able to understand what I'm trying to explain? Is it clear? Right. So guys, with all my experiences, I have collected this much of beautiful content for all of you. If it is important, then only I'll teach something. Okay, because my time is also very valuable. I don't want to waste my time. So so right. So what are all these different roles in RPA UiPath? First of all, let's start with you all have joined these sessions to learn about RPA, right? What is the full form of RPA? Can anyone say that? What is the full form?
Robotic automation.
Robotic processing.
Process
Robotic
automation.
processing automation.
Right. So guys, first of all, robot means, hey Raghu, we are very much excited when you are going to show your robot. Right. So here our robots are not physical robots, guys. I cannot show you any physical robot or something, because we cannot see our robot. We are not going to manufacture or prepare any physical robot. Okay, it is completely a software, it's completely an application which we are going to download and install in our laptops and desktops, not in mobile phones, because we cannot install. So whoever has joined this session from mobile phone, today we are giving exceptions, but try to join the session from laptop from Monday. Okay, because the basic prerequisite if you want to kickstart your career is nothing but the investment is completely your time and on the infrastructure and the complete support from your friends and family. So you should have proper laptop with proper condition. Okay, whoever doesn't have laptop or doesn't have the laptop in proper condition, working condition, so in the coming next 2 days you have holidays, so just looking into that and get it settled down. Please maintain proper Wi-Fi if you don't have, because every day attending 1.5 hour to 2 hours of session, 2 hours on certification, which will consume more Wi-Fi. So daily 2 GB is not recommended. Even it won't that much of speed as well, right? So and let them know your friends and family that you are going to learn this RPA tool. So next 45 days, no one will disturb you, and don't go anywhere. Stay strong, stay safe, because it's a summer. If you go out, it will get affected. Then you cannot able to join the next sessions. So it's a cyclic process, guys. Attending the classes, learning the subject, getting hands-on experience, preparing the resume, applying for the jobs, which I am keep on posting on all RPA, UiPath World groups. And previously, when we did not created this page, like I do have more than 3,000 to 4,000 plus recruiter mail IDs are there. I'll give you access for all those recruiter mail IDs as well, so that you can just send your profile to all of them. Because simply creating the Naukri profile, simply applying the job, simply waiting for the calls is not recommended nowadays, because maximum references market is going on. So you should let them know already that your profile should go into their inbox, right? Then they will understand, okay, you are looking for the job. And always download, saved your resumes by starting your name with 01 underscore. If you put 01 underscore, your profile will be on the top always. Okay, if they download 10 of 10 resume profiles, your profile will be on the top, because you saved with 01 underscore, your name underscore, your path underscore, years of experience. Like this, I'll give multiple shortcuts, tips and tricks as well. Okay, so applying for the job, scheduling the interviews, attending the interviews, clearing the first round, doing the system test, second round, manager round, HR round, and after going inside client round. After getting the job, whatever the client given you the project, you should have to understand, you should have to prepare the documentation, should communicate with the business team, you should do the feasibility checking, you should do the discovery, you should do the process feasibility, right? So how can you all do this? How can you cover all these things in 45 days? So guys, getting the job in IT industry is very easy task, believe me or not. Okay, because after you guys also worked in IT industry for 4 to 5 years, you will also say the same thing. The thing is, getting the job is very easy. Surviving in the job is very important, because nowadays after COVID, right, getting the job is very easy. If you pay some money, they'll give you offer letter within a week. You can join in the next Monday itself. but but you don't know anything what you should do after going inside, what technology, what client will ask you. You will get 10 to 15 lakhs package, but you don't know anything. Even you don't know what technology also you're going to work. Then what will happen immediately? You will thought like after going inside somebody will train you. No, nobody will train you guys. If you going as an experienced professional, nobody will teach you. From the day one itself, project is going to allocate you. Your billing will start up to next 2 years. You are working for some banking client, which is very safe and secure client. Maximum every day 3 to 4 calls has been already scheduled. You don't have the time to learn the subject. That is the problem is happening in the market now. People thinking like first they want to get the job, after that they are learning the subject. No guys, it is a reverse process. You will get failed if you go through that process, because after you join you don't get that much of time to learn yourself. Okay, because you should keep on working on the subject. How you can do the work? You thinking like, okay, so many people are giving the support in the market, I'll go and I'll pay 35 to 40,000. I'm anyhow I'm getting 1 lakh, so if I pay them 35 to 40,000 they can do my job. No, it's not a good thing guys, because how many months you will pay? At the end of the day, if in case if they call you to work from office, then what you will do? Every day you should go to the office. Again, after you come home, you should connect it with the support person in online, or you should go to that person offline. How many days, how many months, how many years you will be dependent on someone? No, right? If you have the subject with you, you can give support to 10 other people, right? So first learn the subject, be confident, get hands-on experience, do practical more exercises, and then start learning, searching for the job. Then you will get more confident. Now you got one offer with 10 lakhs, then you will take this as a counter offer and ask the next company for 12 lakhs. No one can touch you. You will be very confident, and you will be very strong, right? So that's how guys, don't go for that kind of shortcut processes. Definitely you will get affected. It's not recommended as well in the market. Okay, right. So here we all are here to learn about robotic process automation. Robotic means guys, I'm not, as I've told you, it's not a physical robot. Okay, it's not a physical robot. It's just a,
Yeah, your screen was not sharing to us.
okay. Let me
Yeah.
share. Thank you. Thanks for letting me know. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, it's just a piece of code. Okay. And what is the meaning of process, guys, generally? Anyone? What is meaning of process? In your career, in your academics, you might have learned about this word, guys, process. From where this
Steps.
RPA came into the picture? Yeah, steps. Some set of rules, some set of protocols, right? So what is the meaning of set of rules? If you want to do some job, if you want to do some transaction, if you want to do some process, you should have to follow some rules, some set of protocols. For example, if you want to withdraw some money from ATM, what are all the rules, guys? You should have to insert the card. That card should be valid. That card shouldn't be expired. It shouldn't damaged, right? These are all the rules only. No, you should have to enter the PIN number. That should be correct. And if you are entering some money, for example, you have 2000 amount is available in your account, but you are trying to withdraw 5000. That's a business rule, right? What you will get, you have insufficient funds because you have 2000 in your account and you are trying to withdraw 5000. So these all are the business steps. Once if finally you are getting the money, means nothing but you have followed so many steps. You're trying to send the money through online transfer to your friend's account. So what are all the prerequisites, guys? You should have mobile or laptop. You should have proper network. You should have proper login credentials. First of all, you should have the net banking. You should have login credentials, and then you should have your friend's account details, IFSC code, type of account number, name, MMID, right? If you want to book a product in Amazon, what is the process? You should have to search. You should have to go through review. Is there any return option is there or not? Going through the feedbacks, adding the item to the cart, payment, car cash on delivery, received the item. So so for all these kind of processes, there are having some set of rules. In the same way, these all are the processes which you are going through in your day-to-day life, right? These all are the day-to-day processes only, no? In the same way, in IT industry also, so many people doing this kind of processes. That processes are repetitive processes. Those all are repetitive jobs, which means they are not going to develop something new. Every day, they are just going to the office, opening the laptop, connecting to the client network, opening the virtual machines, opening the email, downloading the client input data, copying the data, processing the data on the client application, and sending the report to the business. Hi team, today I have completed this 150 transactions. Thank you. Again tomorrow morning, again same. Coming to office, open laptop, copy the data, come network to the connected to network and download data, copy data, process the data, and send to the client. Every day, just that person is doing the same job from last 10 to 15 years. BPM, BPO, KPA, KRO, all these support people, consultant people, what they will do, guys? They don't do any some kind of new development. They'll just keep on working on some support tickets, some data processing. They'll get data, huge data amount of data in Excel or email or in Word document or in a PDF document, invoices. What they will do, just they will open that input data, process that data, send the data to the client. That's it. Everything will revolve around these three things only. Now that's where RPA concept came into the market. So to do that kind of jobs, we don't need human beings nowadays. Okay, we have these robots. What we can do, we can train whatever the job was doing by those manual people. We can train those steps to these RPA bots. Then what will happen automatically? All the jobs were going and do by the bot. You don't need to do everything. Your job will do by the bot. If you ask robot, hey robot, open Google Chrome, new browser, enter the URL, enter credentials, go and copy the data, enter the data, process it. It will do everything. You just need to train it. That's it. How to train, that we are going to learn in coming 45 days. Okay, so guys, that's where this concept came into the picture called robotic process automation. Automation is nothing but mimicking the user actions, guys. Okay, mimicking the user actions. So what is the meaning of mimicking? Mimicry. What mimicry artists do, whatever you are talking, that guy also will try to talk the same, which means whatever you do, whatever the support person are doing, our robots also will do the same. Okay, understood everybody? What is RPA, how it came into the market, why it is booming and trending technology? Because we have clients have so many advantages with that, right? First of all, cost cutting. What is the meaning of cost cutting? Right. So why everybody is looking for automation nowadays in the market? What is the reason? First of all, there is a job. Okay. For example, let's consider a person called Raghavan. Okay. He is doing the job in company called Philips from last 25 years. Okay. His designation is senior principal consultant. Okay. And he is handling total 100 processes. That processes are nothing but manual processes. Okay, and we call him as an SME. What is SME? Full form, subject matter expert. To whom we call as SME, whoever that person have complete knowledge on that product or process. So Raghavan is a guy working for Philips from last 25 years as a senior, working as a senior principal consultant, and he is doing every day handling the team of 10 members. Okay, 10 members. Those 10 members are handling almost, you know, 10 different business processes. From last 10 years, they are working on the same process, same repetitive jobs, doing the same repetitive manual jobs. Okay, now they understood that there is a concept called robots automation. They want to implement this RPA automation in their company. So they are paying for this 10 members per year, they are paying 10 lakhs, which means they should have to invest 1 crore per year, right? The salary, they should pay 1 crore per year. So 10 members are working, 10 members salaries 10 into 10 lakhs, 1 crore. They are investing to complete this particular 100 jobs. Now they want to implement this automation. So guys, these 10 members, how many hours they will work per day, guys? Generally, how many hours they'll work?
7 to 8 hours.
Oh, no, man, 8 to 9 hours. 7 to 8 already gone. Okay. Sometimes you should work for 10 also. Minimum, I'm just saying, okay. So 8 to 9 hours per day, they should work. But our robots, how much of time they'll work, guys? Is there any time limitation for robot? No, it will work for 24/7. So whoever the human being is doing, the bots will do into 3 times per day, right? That is the first and foremost advantage. It will work continuously on the business processes. Then what is happening? The productivity is getting increased. Every day they are handling just 10 processes. In the 10 processes, they are handling 1,000 tickets, for example, or 1,000 or any huge data. But now they're taking 1 month of time to handle these 1,000 tickets. But robot, how much of time it can handle those 1,000 tickets? Less than 10 days itself. Because human being can take to complete one process, it will take minimum, for example, one ticket to process it, they are taking 1 hour of time. Okay. For a human being, for that person, manual job, whoever is doing, they're taking 1 hour of time to complete particular transaction. Now, robots will consume only 10 to 15 minutes to come instead of 1 hour of time, because robots will do very much fast, guys. Even you cannot imagine that much of speed it will do. That much. That's how you should train it. Then what is happening? Where is 60 minutes? Where is 15 minutes? Again, into 4 of time is getting saved here. Okay. So time saving, right? Time saving, and human beings might commit mistakes sometimes, right? Because of the our mental tension and pressure and whatever the background, definitely human beings might commit sometimes, right? Mistakes sometimes. But robots don't do mistake, no. However you train, it will work on the same, correct? So that's how these all are advantages are there. And what is the robot's license, guys, cost? For example, let's say robot bot license cost is only 20 lakhs. Now, can you tell me, are you interested in taking these 10 people, or will you go and purchase one robot license, guys?
We'll go with
Understood?
robot license.
Because
Robot license.
it is giving these many advantages for all of us, right? So that's why companies all are looking for automation nowadays. They are having so many manual processes in terms of banking, healthcare, manufacturing, retail industry, e-commerce, HR, logistics, oil and gas, food and nutrition, finance, marketing. How many industries are there, guys? Can you imagine? how many jobs, how many processes are there in the market? Still, there are so many job openings are there. They're not getting proper RPA consultants because they need the people who are already working professionals, because they don't have that much time to hire you. They don't have that much time to train you after you go inside the company. They're expecting that already you know the subject. If you know the subject, they're ready. There are so many jobs are there, I can help you. Okay, because for example, if you go and search, share the RPA UiPath job openings in India. Okay, after that we'll search in Hyderabad, for example. See guys, you're getting within fraction of seconds. You no need to wait for someone. Start working and start learning on these emerging technologies. Utilize it. There are so many openings are there, guys. See, for example, see LPA Noida. In Noida, now let's see these many openings are there. Okay. Now first let's search for Hyderabad location. LinkedIn job search indeed. Just go through that and just apply. Okay. See, RPA developer UiPath, Eclecture Technologies, Hyderabad location, job description, apply. That's it. You don't need thousands of jobs, right? You need only one job. Your friends simply say, "Hey, how is the market?" Hey, nothing, yeah, it's not good. Simply, they'll just say the word. No, guys, how many jobs you need, guys? There are thousands of jobs are there, but you need only one job. Focus on getting that one job. That's it, right? See, for example, if you go through the LinkedIn or Naukri, so just search for the your path jobs, because only learning the subject is not important. After learning the subject, how about the job? You need job, right? UI path. For example, 3 years. Location, Bangalore. See here, 118 jobs are there. In that one, we need one job only, no? So you should know how to search, how to apply, how to schedule the interview, how to crack the interview, how to do the job, right? Focus on that one, right? So guys, that's how here they are investing 20 lakhs only, which means even they are saving 80 lakhs of amount per year. And instead of 1,000 tickets, they are handling 2,000 to 3,000 tickets per month, because time saving, productivity is increasing, client is getting more money. Altogether, instead of 80 lakh, they will even get 1.5 cr, because productivity is getting increased. That's where RPA automation concept came into the market. Okay, so guys, here we are not going to learn anything in RPA. RPA is just a definition, it's just a concept. In RPA, we have total more than 50 plus tools are available in the market. In that one, the top trending and emerging technology is nothing but UiPath. Okay, the second top trending is Microsoft Power Automation Cloud. Then Power Automation Desktop. Okay, and then Automation Anywhere, and then OpenSpan, and then Blue Prism. You might have already heard about these words now, guys, in the market. When you go on the roads, like that, we have multiple RPA tools are available in the market. Okay, Raghu, so many tools are there. So I am very much interested in which tool I should have to learn. You can learn automation anywhere in just 15 days also. It's very easiest tool. But after learning, how about the job, guys? You should have to get the job, no? So as of now, there is not that much of market is there for other tools because UiPath is coming up with many innovations. It is trending, going like anything. Every day it is launching some new concept, new activity, new things in the market. So concentrate on the session, guys, because in this session you will learn many things. Based on this session, you can take your decision whether you want to learn the technology or not from Monday, right? So concentrate, put mobile phone in silent mode. Don't watch Instagram reels. Let them know that you are taking the professional training from professional certified trainer. So, so learning the easiest tool is not a matter. How about getting the job? So jobs will be there. Genuine job opening should be there. Job opportunity should be there. So guys, that's why I'm going to teach you all the topmost 3 tools in the market. Okay. So that's how we have, this is 25 days and these together 5 days. Okay. Right. Anyone, any questions so far? Feel free to ask, feel comfortable. Any questions? Right.
Right. All good. Are you taking any interview preparation session?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, here I forget to explain you all that. So guys, if you observe, here I'll teach real-time project documentation and end-to-end real-time project code explanation, and then Microsoft Power Automation overview, and then Microsoft Power Automation desktop, and then overview of action center, process mining, task mining, communication mining, automation ops. Here, mock interview session. Okay, we can help you in preparing and resuming, prepare the resume, creating the account in Naukri. What are all the tips you should follow to get more calls? LinkedIn interview questions explanation. Okay, so these are all we are going to teach in the course curriculum, guys. Okay, and special guidance for non-technical people which are coming from non-technical backgrounds. We can help them in, we'll put more concentration on them, because if you're already working professional, you know already how to handle access, how to schedule a teams meeting, how to join the meetings and all, right? But they don't have, they're not from that much background, so it will be issue for them. Okay, so here I just want to show you all my last batch which completed yesterday morning, 30 classes. Okay, so if you go to what I have covered, what I have teach, okay, just to show you all, okay, to get some knowledge. Um, Last batch I have started on 5th April, guys, okay, which almost more than 1.5 month. And now here in this, these are all the recorded sessions, okay. If you go through the recordings, if you observe day 1 demo, day 2 demo, day 3 UiPath Power Automation download infra setup, day 4 studio explanation. Like that, I have covered all the topics as per the curriculum up to class 30, automation in Power Automation desktop and automation anywhere, 29 integration services, 28 Power Automation cloud, life cycle, non-technical, real-time project explanation, interview experiences, and unattended bot, assets orchestrator, queues, dispatcher, performer, RE framework, arguments, control flows, API automation, automation hub, document understanding. Okay, so these are all the class courses. And then if you go through the materials, these are all the everyday to practice different invoices, different input data, samples and all will provide. Okay, and then Kumar, where is this Excel file? Not able to see that Excel file here. I think someone deleted that file. Okay, no worries. We'll go through January batch link. I'll try to show. Oh, I'm not able to see that. Okay. So guys, what I am going to give you the content, that is what important, right? So every day after the class, we will give you some task. For example, today we have discussed Excel automation, right? So how we will get some hands-on experience? If I just simply coming into the class and giving you and no follow-up, nothing again tomorrow morning coming and explaining PDF automation. But how about that remaining time, what you have done for the day? You have started learning. Okay, good. You have attended 2 hours of demo class today. You should have to do practice. No, when you will practice, when someone should be there in the back end, they should push on you. Hey, have you done the task? Have you done the task? Show me your task. Share your updates. Because after you go inside the company, somebody will be there. Will keep on asking you the questions. Hey, Yatish, I have given you the task. Have you completed or not? When you will get that pressure, guys, somebody should be there in the background. Then only you will get that pressure. You will feel that some responsible. You should have to do the task. Otherwise, you will simply just do time pass, roaming with the friends, weekend activities, planning. So we will give you the task as well. Every day you should have to do task. Okay, Raghu, if you are not able to do the task, then what we should do? Every day our team will connect with you 1 hour in the evening time, only for the doubts clearance session. If you are doing practice, you are not able to do that, then we are here to help you how to do that. Okay, so here our team is there, Kumar. So he is the only one giving you help in terms of non-technical, technical, whatever the issues you have in accessing the recording or in getting some content, you are not able to do anything. He will give you the complete support in terms of non-technical. Okay, always here he will be also in the group. Every day he is only the sharing everything in the group. Okay, right. so so here see guys, completely by end of the course, all the tasks you should have to complete. Every day Kumar will track your profile. You guys are joining the sessions or not. If you're joining irregularly, you don't have the right to ask me, hey Raghu, I'm not understanding, I'm not getting the subject, because you're not joining, you're not doing the tasks. Okay, so these are all the different concepts and tracking student projects as well, which means what we will do here. So like this guys, every day we will give you the tasks as well. You should have to complete these tasks and you should update to Kumar. If more members are there, even I will create the teams also in your group. Every 2 4 members of team, one batch will be there. So for example, 25 members has joined this batch. Every 5 members, one team, and I will assign one team lead also, so that you will understand what will be your roles and responsibilities after you join in the organization. That all real-time environment I will help you, I'll try to implement in the sessions directly, so that your lead will keep on ask you, you guys can connect together, can discuss together in the rest of the day, right? And you can do practice, you can complete the task, you can share in the group, hey Raghu, our team task completed, we are good, we have these dots are there, we took help from Kumar, we are good with today's task. Okay, so these all are the tasks and these all are the real-time projects we are going to give you for the practice purpose. And we will give you, and these are a lot of the resources guys. What is the meaning of resources? Resumes. Hey Raghu, I have almost like 3 years of experience, can you please give me some resume sample after the course? Yeah, I'll give you. If you go through this resume, where you can find more than 1,000+ resume samples will be there based on your requirement. If you are having 1 to 3 years of experience, you can go through this folder. Okay, it will keep load. If you have 3 to 5 years, you will have some samples. We have put actually in the outside, you can see so many resumes are there in the down. So like that, I'll give you the access to handle more and more resumes. Okay, and then interview questions. Here Raghu, I want some interview questions, I want to prepare myself after the course completion. How many pages are there guys? 83 pages of content. You can go through all the interview question topics, PDF document. Not only this only document, even I do have many more See, UiPath interview questions. This is what I have showed just now, right? So I'll give you providing all these interview questions so that you can practice and you'll be ready for the mock interviews. And this is one. And see, this is another RPA UiPath interview questions. Here, how many pages? 110 pages of questions are there. Scenario based questions are also included here. Okay, and React questions, tools comparison, interview questions. Okay, and other than all these, I'll give you, these are like Capgemini related questions. So like this, guys, I'll give you a number of content related to the UiPath, okay, for the practice purpose and training, and I'll give you and I'll show you another best content I do share with all the students, okay, which will be very helpful and useful, guys, for all of you. Okay, right. So guys, if you observe here, if you find out, yeah, got it. So if you observe, this is the document which is having almost 140 pages of content. Only this was completely developed by our UiPath team, which will helpful for all of the students who are going to attempt the interview. In terms of concept wise definitions will be there. What is sequence, what is flowchart, what is, and what is the different variables we have, what is array methods, data types used in your path, string methods, okay, arguments, full selectors, partial selectors, dynamic selectors, okay, 140 pages of content, input method, output methods, OCR engines, data types, data table, Excel scrapping, data scrapping, find element, find image, okay. So this will also be, I'll be shareable. So if you observe yesterday morning 8:25 a.m. I have shared all this content, HR emails list. Other than that cloud data, whatever I have, I'll share all this content also with all of my students. Yesterday is the last class, no, I have shared your path profiles. So there are some job openings are there. Here I have made it as a zip file. I've told before our RPA Vault LinkedIn page, I used to share everything in an Excel. So our my resume sample format. These are my resume sample formats. You can access and you can take my resume sample formats also. And these all are the different course presentations, different topics, different course will be, RPA course presentations will be there. Okay. For example, if you want to see someone, like I can open this presentation and I can show you theoretically from here, but it might not show that much impact because already you guys have gone through these kind of presentations. Only going through, reading through the presentation might not be helpful, right? So that's why I don't depend on record presentations. I'll completely explain. I know what the people will expect from me, how they will understand easily if I tell in which way. Okay, so these are a lot different concept wise presentations I do have. I'll share all these presentations and practical project scenarios. Okay, sample resumes, and this is the job opportunity email. When you are looking for job, you should have to prepare this kind of subject and body and attach your resume and send your profile. We'll give this one, and resumes, email IDs of the recruiters. Previously, I told we have so many email IDs. Like this, I'll give you all the email IDs so that you can share your resume. And this is self-introduction template. Yeah, important. Here, Raghu, even I don't know how to introduce myself. I don't know how to handle the interview, what type of questions they'll ask me in interview. First, we'll start with self-introduction, and then they will ask you about your recent project explanation, and then they'll ask you what are the challenges you faced in the project, and then they'll start with how you overcome the challenges, and then they'll give you scenario-based questions and system test. Okay, so I have just put everything in this document, and these are all the different email addresses, and then course presentations, recruiter mail ID, SARI framework. So quiz questions. These are all the quiz questions, guys. If when you are writing the exams, quiz questions, profiles, daily learning notes, interview questions. Okay, so these are all the different interviews, all the topics also I'll share. Okay, so this is all the content I'm going to give you all after the classes. And recruiter email IDs, quiz questions, self-introduction, presentations, interview topics, recordings. So all these are the practical practice websites. Okay, we'll give you access for all of this, and you guys able to do all these certifications also by end of the course. Okay, so this is what I can give you, and by end of the course everybody will get access for all of this from the day one, Monday itself. Okay, any questions, anyone? Happy to help you.
Can you please show the certification list?
Certification, sorry. You're asking my certification?
No, not like you are just shared the certifications which we are completing in the training.
Okay, I'll show you that. So guys, in UiPath, we have a concept called academy.uipath.com. Okay, so in this one, directly UiPath will explain you, will teach you by playing some recordings. Okay, here, if you go here in this Academy website, here we have learning plans. If you go to the learning plans, here select English, total 27 will be there. So if you observe, 34 hours it will take, 4 hours it will take, one concept is there 84 hours. Okay, if you go through here, what you should do total, you should have to complete all these trainings certifications by end of the course. First one is Automation Explorer, which will take 10 hours of time, and then Developer Associate training, which will take 32 hours, and then professional training 40 hours. Then at the last you will get credential, which means your certification. Okay, so you should have to complete every day at least 2 to 3 hours of time on this certification part as well. Okay, understood, Mr. Yogesh? Clear?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. And guys,
With the help of this training, how much years of experience we can put in resume and do a job switch.
so first of all, to answer, getting some echo, please go for mute so that I can help you. Okay, so guys, what I can say, how much of experience we should put means, first of all, I should understand that how much of career gap you have. For example, you have 5 years of career gap, then you can put minimum 3 years of experience. Okay, because that 3 years of experience you should cover in coming 45 days. Okay, and the two recommended is, guys, if you keep on attending the classes, keep on doing the practice, getting hands-on experience every day. In the starting of the class, I will ask, couple of questions, each and every one, just to evaluate yourself, how many of you remember, how many of you not remembered, so that at least every day should keep on go through, rebrush the subject and content, so that you will feel confident. So recommended is minimum 3 to 4 years, guys. Okay, so and even it depends on the subject confidence you have. Like sometimes recommended 2 years itself, or 4 years, 5 years. It depends on individual profile. Okay, you can call me once you good with the content. You can call me. I can help you. Okay, right.
Okay, thanks.
Right. So guys, these are all my certifications which I have completed recently in last year. July, I have completed about the developer professional, and in June I have completed business analyst. April I have completed associate. In May I have completed the and this is like in 2023 I got this official certified trainer award, community trainer. Okay, and these all are my some real-time corporate experiences, guys. I do give online trainings, I do give offline trainings, I do give corporate trainings, group trainings, college trainings, ICT trainings as well. So who is he? Can you guess? Do you know who is he? He is, guys, UiPath CEO Daniel Dinis. Okay, I have met him 3 times from last 8+ years. I got opportunity to meet him in Bangalore, and these all are my some corporate training glimpses. Okay, I have given some corporate trainings as well, and these all are my some certifications. Okay, you can just these all are some community event with all of my students, and this is how I got rewarded as key contributor for Hyderabad chapter. Right, and so this is the UiPath Community Day with all our Hyderabad UiPath community leaders and all the different more than 50 to 60 people of my students got attended these sessions. Okay, right. Now, what will be your roles and guys, one more advantage is it is the most important advantage. It's a low code, no code platform. Okay, no coding knowledge is required. And then, hey Raghu, after getting the job, what I should do from the day one? What will be my roles and responsibilities? So when you join in any organization, from the day one, your manager will call you or they'll schedule a meeting. You should interact with the client, right? You should interact with the client from the day one. For example, it is a health insurance client or some medical manufacturing client. They will manufacture some baby born products. Its company is in US. They are having 1 lakh employees are there. From here, you are doing some of the operations. They want to implement automation now. They are having 150 plus manual processes are there in their manufacturing company. Now, what we should do, we should have to implement automation. You are the RPA consultant. Then your RPA manager will schedule a meeting with client manager. On a high level introduction will be there. Hey, hi James, myself Rahul. So we are from India. We are from Infosys. We are here to help you to automate your processes. So I'm introducing you my RPA consultant Raghava. So from tomorrow, he is going to work with your team. So your team should explain all your processes one by one to Raghava, so that he will check the feasibility. He will let you know whether can we do this process automation or not. If yes, how much of time and money you can save within 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. That report he will share with you. So they will explain starting one of the process for you by scheduling a meeting tomorrow evening at 4 p.m. They are explaining, they took 2 hours of time to explain you the first process. You joined in the organization, you're working with Infosys. Your client is some healthcare client, okay, manufacturing healthcare. Now, when they explained you, you should have to record the process and you should just go through the manual process, what they are doing every day. There are some best practices are there. If you follow the best practices, then only you will get to know whether can we do this process automation or not. And then if you confirm that you are able to automate this particular process, then you will go and inform to the client that, hey boss, we can able to do this automation. It will take 2 months of time. So if you take if you want to show some demo, I'll show some demo as well by tomorrow, or like by 1 week of time. If you provide all the content and data, sample data, test data, access, your path community edition and all. Then if you showed the demo, they are quite impressed with your demo that robot is doing by very fast. They can save a lot of time and money and so many advantages. They purchased the licenses and you have automated all the processes. So here, if you observe, how many members are there in your team, guys? How many members are there in your team? You are the only one. You don't have any team here, right? You are the one understand the requirement gathering. You are the one prepared the documentation. You are the one showcased the demo. You are the one going to do the development, testing, deployment, everything. You are the one. That's why companies are paying you high salaries for RPA consultants compared to other tools and technologies. Because, for example, let's consider Java. Okay, myself, Raghava. I have 7+ years of experience as a senior Java developer working with Wipro. Okay, and I'm working for the client called Meta. Okay, which means Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Right. So guys, Mark Zuckerberg came and he told to all of us that, hey Raghu and team, I don't know what you guys do. Within 1 month of time, you guys should develop the WhatsApp payment option that everybody all over the India should use that option at 30th day. The requirement is to develop WhatsApp payment option. Okay, WhatsApp payment option. Total how many days they have given? 30 days. Total how many of your team members? 30 team members. Then what you guys doing here? You have first of all project Scrum Master. He'll be there. What they'll do every day, they'll schedule the daily stand-up calls. He will design the sprint plan, right? First 15 days, one plan, next 15 days, second plan. And then you have solution architect. You have delivery manager. You have reporting manager. You have business analyst. You have developers. You have testers. You have go live team. Okay, you have front end team, you have back end team, database team, right? Support team, change request team. Okay, all these people together, total 30 members are there. Okay, total 30 members are there, and by 30 days, all these guys together, they have developed a new product which is not existing available in the market now. Okay, so they have developed this. What's the payment option? Task completed. Now if you observe what they have done, guys, they have developing something new which is not there already. So every day in the Scrum Master, what will happen? They will attend daily status call. In the daily status call, what will happen? Okay, team, all 30 members join. What is your plan today? What is your plan tomorrow? Are we able to develop this or not? Are you able to, do you need any infra setup required? So that every day they will share their statuses, meeting statuses. That is about roles and responsibilities of Java developer, .NET developer, testing. They're having some team. They'll have some team and they have some project deadline and they should have to share their status every day. So this will come under what, guys? Scrum Master sprint plan means. If you all know, you have the subject called in your career academics called SE. What is the full form of SE? In your subject, you might have learned.
Software engineering.
Excellent. What are all the different models we have, guys, in software engineering? We have waterfall.
Waterfall model and
Nowadays, everyone which is using which model nowadays?
agile methodology.
Agile methodology.
So why waterfall is there already? Then why agile came into the picture? Because the drawback of waterfall is if you develop once, if it came into the market once, that's it. You cannot update the product. If you observe your old model TVs, mobile phones, keypad phones, video games, normal analog digital watches, what is the drawback of those? You cannot update. But nowadays, everybody we need update. This year you are using 1+10, next year you want to use 1+11. This year Honda Activa 10G, you want to go for 11G. iPhone 15, next year 16. WhatsApp today, this option, I want to go for next available option. How you are updating everything, guys? They're following Agile methodology. What you can do with Agile? Product first release into the market, and they will keep on adding the updates to the existing application. If you know, before 10 years, how the WhatsApp, what are the WhatsApp features? We don't have status, we don't have group video call, we don't have export chart, we don't have that much privacy, we don't have business. But every day they're coming up with some new surprises, no guys? How they are adding the new updates to your existing application without affecting the data. Whatever the charts you have, data you have, media you have, links, documents, because for going with agile methodology, guys. Okay, that's how agile methodology is follow. Differences between software engineers to RPA consultants, I'm trying to explain you all. Okay, so these all are the roles and responsibilities. Now coming to the RPA consultants, what you guys should do after you join in the organization. And this is not the same for all, I'm saying. Okay, you should be in this situation, then only you will be feel confident. That's how I'm trying to explain you about this objective. Okay, so you should know what will be the roles and responsibilities. Okay, again, so myself Raghava, I am RPA UiPath consultant, having 10+ years of experience working in Wipro. Okay, our client is called Philips. So what we should do, we should have to automate the processes in Philips. Total, for example, 10 processes we have started. So first of all, what will happen? Client will explain you the manual process. Then what you should do? You should have to record the steps and check the feasibility. What is the meaning of feasibility? When the client is explaining you, that process should be first of all manual process, repetitive manual process. We can automate repetitive jobs only, no? So you will understand, is it a really repetitive job or not? In case if any decision making is there, which means they are explaining you one process, but in between one of the step they are telling you, hey Raghu, here in this particular step, if my manager comes and confirm, then only we will go to the next step. When your manager will come, so there is some dependencies there. We cannot automate that kind of processes, or else we can divide into two steps, two projects. So if there is any human decision making is there, then we cannot automate. And data should be static always. Today you are getting data in English, tomorrow you are getting in Chinese, day after tomorrow another language. Today you are getting in Excel, tomorrow you are getting in email. Today you are getting 100 columns, tomorrow 500 columns, 1000 row, different format of data, which is not helpful for the bot. Because for the human being itself will take a lot of time to understand the particular process. No, so data should be static, and the process should be enabled. Everything should be repetitive manual task. the volume of the data, volume of the transaction should be high, then only we can automate. So these are all you will check in that particular feasibility checking, and then analyze the process, which means understanding the business process steps. Okay, and then what you will do? Demo, and then documentation. You should have to prepare documentation, guys. BRD, STD, cutover plan, exception handling document, case studies. Okay, these are all different documents you should prepare. How to prepare, how it looks like, everything I'll teach you, I'll guide you in the last classes. And once completed documentation and once you got sign off approval from the client, what we should do, you should start for the development. I will start development. Client provided me all the infra setup. This process, what I am doing automation, this process is in live from last 10 years. Already application is there. Already it was in live. Now I am just automating the job with the help of RPA bot. Okay, development and then UAT, which means you should test yourself and then quality check with the client and then go live and then support and then monitoring. Okay, which means, so how many of team members are there, guys, here? How many team members are there here? So if you observe, only one person is handling all these jobs and roles and responsibilities. Right? But again, I'm saying this is not the same for all. It depends on the client and the company. If client wants to get this project done within short time, then they will hire 10 developers. You guys, 10 people will work together so that you can work fast. Else, some companies will be there, they will hire only one person as a consultant. So you should have to complete all the task within less than, you know, so you should have to complete everything independently. So you are the only one understanding the requirement gathering, you are the one preparing the documentation, testing, development, go live, monitoring, and even you should support the process also for some time. That's why we are calling it as a consultant. You know, right? Real estate consultant, automobile consultant. What real estate consultant do? He will be like act like as a mediator between the landlord and to the whoever going to purchase the land. So what he will do, first of all, before investing the money from the real estater, he will do some market investigation. Whether if he invest 100 rupees now, after within less than of time, he get at least 150 rupees or not, then only he will invest. He'll invest 100 rupees, he will do some marketing advertisement, he will give some amenities, he'll divide the road, put all amenities, and then he will start explaining to the people, hey, if you invest 10 rupees now, it will become 20 rupees by next year. Which means he purchased the land from landlord and he's act like as a mediator and he's taking care of selling all the land himself. In the same way here, you are a consultant, which means you are the bridge, act like as a bridge person, responsible consultant between your client to the company. You are the only one. Okay, but I'm not like saying same, because some companies already have business analyst, some companies are already having solution architect, some companies having only support people, developers. So might be you go and join as a independent contributor, which means consultant, or you can go and join as a only developer also, or sometimes support person. So I'll teach you, I'll train you to go and fulfill all the roles. You can go as a business analyst, you can go as a technical consultant, or you can go as a support person. Okay, so these will be your roles and responsibilities, guys. And so many people thought like this is the testing tool. So guys, did we doing any testing here? What is the meaning of testing? Once developer developed the code and once the tester or business analyst preparing the test cases, they will test all the test scenarios, everything is good, then only that application will go live after testing. Now what we are doing, we are automating which application, already the application is in live, we are not doing any testing. So this is not at all a testing tool, this is a development tool. You will become a professional developer, You are a certified professional developer. You are handling so many roles and responsibilities. That's why companies are paying you high salaries. They're ready to pay you salary if you are a good technical consultant. You have hands-on experience. Okay, clear? Now let me show you all about. So what are the different industries, guys? I have told you nowadays in using this RPA. Banking, insurance, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, logistics, telecom, oil and gas, finance, HR, food and nutrition. Okay, all these different industries nowadays using this automation, implementing automations. Okay, what are the types of automations we have? Okay, Excel, PDF, web, image, desktop, basic, Citrix, email, database, ERPs, ticketing tools like ServiceNow, Remedy Force. Okay, whatever, what not, no limitation for RPA. So guys, already we have so many automation tools are available in the market. But why this RPA tool became much popular? Because there is no limitation. You can automate any industry, any application. In testing also, automation is the selenium. But what is the limitation? It will test automate only the application which is not in live. In SAP also we have automation, but there is some limitation. In Excel also we have automation, which is macro. But what is the limitation? It can automate only Excel operations. But RPA, we are automating anything, any type. The only thing is there is no human dependency should be there. The data should be static. The volume of tickets should be high. Then only we can able to. Okay. And guys, these are the different RPA tools we have in the market, and all these tools are professional certified tools. Okay, we should have to do some certifications also. Okay, so I have understood about roles and responsibilities, advantages. Of course, we do have some disadvantages are also there, guys. What is disadvantages? No static data, which means always data should be dynamically changes. Okay, sorry, no dynamic changes, which means every day if it is keep on changing, robot cannot automate. No human dependency. Okay, and what else we have? Workflow should be enabled, which means everything should be clear from first step to last step. Okay, and guys, the first and foremost advantage why before UiPath, okay, before UiPath, Blue Prism is leading in the market. Automation Anywhere is leading in the market 3 to 4 years before. But why UiPath is leading us? The most advantage is it is free of cost, which means you can download and install this software for free of cost, which means it is an open source application, guys. Anyone can download and install for free of cost. Okay, that's why it became very much popular. It gave opportunity to everybody to learn independently yourself and become professional certified. But I am here to guide you how to learn shortcut, how to learn in terms of industry practice. So when client will ask you what you should do, what will be the scenario, how to handle, you should know that, right? Because you don't know anything. You are going as a experienced person. So I'll guide you, I'll teach you with all the shortcuts and all. Okay. Any more questions, anyone? So far, are we good? If so, we'll have some. Let me just go through the curriculum and Differences between, yeah, let me show the product, then we'll go for the question and answers, guys. Okay, so this is the application called UiPath. Okay, this is called UiPath, guys. So it will look like this. This is a simple desktop application. Okay. Oh. Let me open the UiPath Studio. Okay, so we have, guys, in UiPath we should learn UiPath Studio, Robot, and Orchestrator. These all are the main basic simple components of UiPath. Studio, Robot, which we calling as nowadays Assistant, and then Orchestrator. Okay, so once if you open Studio, let me go through the existing project. Okay, this is how application looks like, guys. Now, what is the meaning of drag and drop tool, guys? No coding knowledge is required. Okay, so we'll start with simple basic hello world program. Okay, so if you drag and drop, let me take a new project, new process, and just this is a demo only, guys. Okay, to understand how the application works. What is the meaning of drag and drop? Did I writing any code or not? You guys will understand. See, this is called activity. What is this called? Activity message box, which means it will display some message, whatever the message you have given. I want to display hello world. What it is telling you, the text must be quoted. Hello world. That's it. I have given my requirement. Now let me run the bot. Yes, did I write any line of code here? No, right? That's why it's very easy, simple tool to learn, guys. Okay. If you're scaring of coding, if you're from different background, oh, just a second. So here in the output panel, you can see that hello world. Okay. So I have started executing the bot, guys. Okay. See here in the output panel, you can see hello world. Our execution started hello world file at 9:38:36 microseconds. And then execution started queues execution our project name. This log message, whatever you put, it displayed here. And execution ended within less than a second, if you observe, right? Now I want to type something on the notepad. Then what we should do? Before that, let me show you some difference between coding subject and non-coding job. Okay, if you go to the Java, if you want to display hello world, how many lines of code you should write, guys? 5 lines of code. Did we write any code here to display? Nothing. Just we took activity and we drag and drop from this activity panel. So what we should learn in the coming 45 days, how many activities are there? At what time we should use which activity? If you take which activity, it will give you the best efficient solution. We have so many activities are there, guys. See here, nowadays, UiPath launched so many integration services. See, these are all the different technologies: Amazon, AWS, Abware, Azure Cloud Factory, Bamboo HR, Calendly, Cisco, Citrix, Coupa, Customer Data Service, Dropbox, Drip. So these are all the technologies, different tools UiPath can directly interact, and it can automate that application from the integration services. See, MailerLite, Magnum, Mailjet, Marketo, Miro. Even we don't know some companies also. You automate WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Meta, X, everything, YouTube X, everything. We have these many activities are available in the YouTube. If you want to automate Zoom, you can automate Zoom. Okay. If you want to automate WhatsApp, you can automate WhatsApp. Okay. Clear? Now, so instead of writing these lines and lines of code, better you can go this kind of drag and drop tools. Next one, Next example, I'm going to teach you all that I want to type something. Hello everyone. Welcome to RPA UiPath trainings. If you want to type something, we have an activity called type into. Just drag and drop that activity from there to here. That's it. Now, where you want to type on the notepad, go to notepad and inform the robot, hey robot, go and type on the notepad. Then you should indicate. Then automatically it will go here and it will type. Okay. And what you want to type? Hello everyone. Welcome to RPA UiPath trainings. I want to display. Okay, so this is what I want to type something. Okay, then if you run the bot, what will happen, guys? First, it will display the message in the output panel, and then it will type this text on the notepad. That's it. 2 actions performed. See, first action, hello world we got, and it started executing, typing on the notepad. Now I want to click something on our RPA Vault website. For example, here I want to click on RPA UiPath. Okay, as of now, I am in the home page. Now, if you want to click on this RPA UiPath, what we should do, which activity we should take to click something, click activity. So like that, for every scenario, there are some activities are there. The thing is just you need to go through that and just implement it. Now, where you want to click, guys, on this particular RPA UiPath. Okay, so I have indicated. Now, if you run the bot, what will happen? It will do these 3 actions one by one. Okay. See, click on no, guys. So how many actions it performed? It displayed message box in the log message, and it clicked on RPA UiPath, and it have written. I have trained only once, but how many times it is working, guys? Train once and schedule the robot. N number of times it will work. Okay. Understood about the product, how it looks like, what is the meaning of drag and drop. So about this product, we are going to learn coming 45 days. Okay. So now feel free to ask your questions, unmute. Maybe if you are feeling good, you can maybe turn on your cameras if you want to showcase your face so that, ready for the questions, guys. Okay. If you have anything, feel free and you can ask. So how many are you interested in attending the sessions, guys, from Monday? From Monday, our actual session is going to start, guys. For this batch only, I've covered all these topics in only one day. Okay. Okay. Karthik interested. Sesi interested. 2. Shiva 3. Yatish 4. Shivanand 5. Great. Namdev Sudhir. Tamanna Rakesh. Great. 11. So for 11 confirmations. Great, guys. So even if any one of your friends, same, if feeling, not confident in the careers, they're looking for the job with proper support until unless getting the job, I'm here to help you all, giving the trainings, providing the job support, help you in, how to schedule the calls, interviews, providing you proper consultancy documentation, help you in clearing the certifications, everything. One stop. Excuse me, one stop place for everybody to settle down in your careers. Okay. Yeah. Over to you all. If any questions, please feel free to unmute and respond. How's the session? Feeling good? You understand? Yeah, Yogesh. Yes.
What will be the free?
So first of all, your mic is not clear, getting much echo. Please put the mic near to the mouth and try to ask any question, please. It's not at all clear.
It's not at all clear. What will be the fee structure?
Okay, fee structure is 14,999, guys. 15,000 of cost for 45 days for 3 tools: UiPath, Power Automation Cloud, and Desktop. With complete job, support as well until unless you are getting the job. I am here to help you in each and every phase. Okay, my complete support will be there when you put efforts. Without put efforts, without attending the classes, I am not responsible for you to give the support. Okay, right. Any question, anyone? Next.
Hi, Raghava. This is Ashok.
Hey, Ashok. Good morning.
Raghava,
Yeah.
we have no compared to your path, like Power Automate, cloud and desktop is also covered like from scratch, right? Or else only basics we have covered will be covered in this session in this program.
Yeah, it's a good question. So, Ashok, I think you have not joined the session from first minute. So, as I have
Exactly, I
mentioned,
missed that. Sorry for that, Raghava.
no worries. So, as I have mentioned, I cannot help you in covering end-to-end Microsoft sessions, automation sessions, because in our 30 days of time, 25 days will be your path, basic and advanced. In next
Okay.
26 to 29, Microsoft Power Automation cloud and desktop for 4 sessions. Because if you learn already UiPath for 25 days, definitely you will understand this power automation very easily, because you know already how to automate. Only the
Exactly.
terminology will looks different, so it will be
Yes.
easy. Because if you
Yes.
put these three in your resume, then your resume weightage will be increased. You will get more calls, because nowadays in every interview if you attend, they're asking power automation as well. That's why I understood, instead of investing you all on three different tools, you can invest only on one tool, on one investment. You will get three tools subject.
Okay, got it. Thanks. Thanks, Raghava. And
Thank
we
you.
also covered any basic certifications, free course certifications, or there are also some paid certifications. Is there right for UiPath also?
Yeah.
Uh, so
So
how about that paid certification?
in terms of certification, as I have told you, I can help you in completing this free academy certification.
Okay.
Because if you want to do this paid, you should have to invest $354, which means 31,000 INR. So
Yes.
without job, it will be very tough to invest 30,000 on a certification. After you invested 30,000, whether you get the job or not, we don't have clarity, right? So without career starting, I don't recommend you all to go for the certification, because it's a paid one, so it's not recommended for everybody. If you go inside, do some job, get some experience, get some confidence, then invest on the certification. Even in your organization, they can help you in providing the coupons also, then you can do the certification from here. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, Raghava. Thanks for that's from my end.
Thank you so much for attending the session. Yeah, any more questions, anyone? Yatish, any question?
Any question?
No, Raghav, I
No,
am good.
Raghav, I am good.
Okay.
Hi, Raghav.
Okay.
In this training, we are only covering the basic projects or any complex projects also.
Basic and
Basic
advanced
and
both.
advanced.
We
We are
have,
seeing
We have
in the company, at a time we are working on 4 or 5 applications automation.
yeah, I
yeah.
cannot help you in explaining all 4 to 5 applications, but I can guide you, I can help you, because I don't have like that much of real enterprise setup. But I can teach you my real-time project, what I am working on in the last, which I don't record. And these are all the practice websites, guys. Okay, supply management system. You can maybe take this as an example. Okay, and so you can take this as an sample program to develop, and you can go for the password generator. So create the password generator and take the data from supply management and apply from here. Okay, and we have best another website for practice, which is botsdna.com. So here you have multiple use cases are there. So these all are the different exercises. I can help you in giving overview, and maybe I can teach couple of practice exercises also by taking help from here. Okay, and other than that, we have RPA challenge website. So I will practice explain all these different for the practice purpose. Along with, as you have asked, maybe I can help you in teaching, maybe taking couple of real-time enterprise application products. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, any more questions, anyone?
Raghav, yeah, just no questions, but I just want to feedback on this session. Seen many demos, but you have been covered PDDs, SDDs, and real-time environments when you joined in the organization. How you face the like the meetings, the everything you covered everything in this call. I hope this will be very helpful to the new joiners. And I've seen demos, but you're very far above from that. Really nice man. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
having.
Thank you so much for that. That's how I became like a professional certified trainer
Nice,
with
really
all
nice.
my experiences. Yeah. I'm just not only concentrating directly opening the studio and explaining the process. You should understand first of all, because here the people are from different backgrounds. They don't know even they are here to learn RPA. They don't know even there is a tool that is called UiPath. But RPA
Exactly.
is just a definition. So if you make them that much comfortable, then they will understand what they can expect from me. If I set my expectations, then they will understand. They'll create some plan because they want to
Exactly.
settle down in their career with proper package. To get that, what we should do. So
Exactly.
guidance is also very important. So guys, come up with some plan, invest some time, put some efforts, concentration, and then expect the job. Without doing all this, you are not eligible to expect the job, because after you join they will ask you many. They'll give you every topic, every 1 hour your manager or lead will ping you what is the status. Without
Yes.
support, without any technical, how you can able to handle it, right? So that's how it will be helpful for all the people who wants to kickstart their careers. Yeah, thank you so much, man, for your compliment. Next, yeah, Rajesh, any question, Rajesh?
Yes, Raghav. What kind of duration of the project will be like? Is it all short-term projects or any long-term projects also can we expect?
In real time, actually maximum 2 to 3 months project. We have three types of processes will be there: low complexity, medium, and high complexity. Low complexity means less than 2 weeks you should complete in real time. Medium means 3 to 4 weeks. Complex means more than 4 weeks of time in real time. All are maximum medium and high complexity processes only you will get. You should complete within 1 to 2 months of time if you don't have any issues or dependencies in the infra setup which provided by the client.
Okay. Means all short-term projects only, less than 1 year, right?
Exactly. But if the client have 100 processes, you took 1 month to complete one process, but still you have 99 processes in the pipeline. So your billing will be 2 to 3 years. You can keep on working one by one if client doesn't have that much of hurriness. But if client wants to implement all these 100 processes within 6 months, then they will 10 people, 10 consultants like you. Then they will complete all this within less than 6 months. But they should invest more high amount, because infrastructure cost will be there. No developer license, they'll take licenses for your part studio, orchestrator, support. Depends on the requirement. No document understanding, PDF. They should go for the consume AI units, AI builders. So it depends on the client's requirement.
Okay. Got it. Thanks, Raghav. Yes.
Hey, hi Manjira. You joined the session from starting or you joined in between, Manjira? Hello. Okay, next, Tamanna. Hi Tamanna. How's the session, Tamanna? You understood? Any questions do you have?
Yeah, hi sir. It was very informative and well structured. Overall, the session has sparked my interest in learning more about the UiPath and exploring its application. I'm looking forward to the upcoming sessions. Thank you so
Great.
much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. Next, hi Namdev. Any question, Namdev?
Hi, Raghav. Yeah, thank you for the brief introduction about the RPA domain. I come from a different domain, so it's like quite new for me. Um, am I audible?
Great. Yes, you are audible. Great. Where you are from?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay. Great. You are already working professional?
Now, I used to work, took a break, so I need to change my domain again.
Okay. Definitely you are in the correct platform then.
Yeah, I will again contact you once the session's over, and maybe tomorrow. And,
Sure.
I will
Definitely.
chat.
Happy,
And, like, confirm.
happy to help you from RPA Vault. Thank you so much for joining the session.
Thank you for the
Next, thank you. Next, hi, Sudhir Verma. Any questions, Sudhir? Hi, Shivanand. Shivanand, any question, Shivanand?
No, Raghav, all clear.
Okay, great. Thank you. Next, Mahinder. Mahinder Tumla.
Yeah, hi Raghav, how are you?
Good, good. Very excited to start this batch from Monday.
Yes, I will join on Monday.
Great. Thank you so much.
I don't have any doubts right now.
Great. If anything, please keep posted in the group or you can contact me directly in my WhatsApp number, guys. Okay?
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Shekhar Royal. Hi, Shekhar. Any questions, Shekhar?
No, Raghava.
Great.
Nice session.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you so
what
much
the-
for attending. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Next, Paul. Paul, any question, Paul? I know, Paul, you're
Yeah, no
feeling
doubt.
that, hey, Raghu, please stop the batch. I should have to go out because it's too excessive heat in Vijayawada.
No,
So, guys,
Raghav,
like
not.
this, every day will be this kind of session only, minimum 2 hours. Even you don't feel that you have attended 2 hours of session, that's how I can mold you all to just sit in front of the laptop, just to go through the sessions and topics. You will get that much of interest also with my sessions. Great. Next, thank you so much, Paul. And Mohan Deepak. Hi, Mohan Deepak. K. Any questions, anyone? Mohan?
No, Raghava. And it was very informative and easily understandable demo session.
Great.
And
Great.
looking forward to travel
Great.
especially all for 45 days.
Great. So after this class, guys, I'll share the payment link in the group. So who are all interested, you can pay and confirm your seat and let's ready for the Monday morning by with all your proper laptops in working condition with proper Wi-Fi, and then just plan next coming 45 days of in your career and only UiPath. Minimum 8 to 9 hours per day in front of the laptop to get the job settled on with 10 plus lakhs of package in your career. Okay. Right. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
Raghav,
Wonderful. Yeah, Mahinder.
may I know the exact
Sorry.
timings?
Okay. Yeah, good question. So guys, Monday morning from actual session, you will start from 7:30 a.m. Okay. 7:30 to 9:30 a.m. The class timings will be, but only for the coming Monday, I will take only 1 hour of session because on Tuesday, UiPath developer conference is there. So I'm traveling to Bangalore day after tomorrow, Sunday evening. So we will be there on in Bangalore. So it might not possible to take the session on Wednesday. So Monday, Tuesday will be limited session. Again from Thursday, you will get 2 hours of session every day. Okay. If you all are anyone in Bangalore, you can come and meet us. You can come and attend this developer conference where UiPath, Daniel Dines, all the MVPs, all product owners, managers, everyone will come. So you can come and attend, meet them. You can increase your network. Right. Karthik, any question?
Yeah, hi, Raghav. Thanks for the demo.
Hi.
And what was that course which you said in you have to complete in UiPath?
Is it about certification?
Yes.
Okay,
Not
that
paid
certification.
but
That's a free one. Yeah, that free one is directly from the UiPath Academy. If you do that certification for free of cost, you can put that certification in your resume to increase your weightage of your resume.
Yeah.
Because
I got it. What was that free certification?
that is, I'll show you.
Just now I might, tomorrow anyway, I'm free, I'll start it.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
That much interested. That's good. So guys, if you see here, this is about here in UiPath, we have 84 hours of page. If you navigate to certifications plan, learning plan, If you click on learning plan by going through this academy.uipath.com page, you have a concept called learning plan. First, you should register. Okay. See learning plan. I'll give you the short SSO ID guys on Monday, so that it will be easy for all of you to download the setup, to download software, to log into this one, to log into community forum, to log into marketplace. We have documentation portal for all. You should need some registrations. I'll give you that registration, in shortcut way, so that it will be helpful for all of you. This is one I am recommending, 41 courses, 84 hours, which is developer professional training version 23.10. Okay. Right. Yeah, Yogesh, please go ahead.
Go ahead.
Hi Rafa, like one of my friend wants to see this demo. Is the recording available so that I can share with?
Yeah. After the class, immediately my team Kumar will share this recorded link in the group, so that you can share this recording with anyone. They can able to access.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Suraj, any questions, Suraj? Understand what I have teached? Right, guys. Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much for your valuable time in attending this session. Hope you all had a good time. Then let's connect again tomorrow from Monday morning for the actual first session. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Raghu.
Thank you.